Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the poem and the name of the poem is The Eagle. Okay, so let's begin with the poem. This poem is from your reader book and the name of the poem is The Eagle, and the writer who has written this poem is named as Lord Alfred Tennyson. Okay, so this is the poet of the poem. So let's begin the poem. He claps the crag with crooked hands. Okay, so what is the meaning of claps? Claps means pakad. What is the meaning of crag? Crag means rough rock on a mountain. As you know, there are so many rocks in a mountain, so that is known as crag. Okay, crooked. What is the meaning of crooked? Crooked means not straight or even. Okay, as you know, human beings are having hands, right? They are having crooked hands? No, they are having even hands, right or not? Even hands होते हैं ना आपकी? Good hands होते हैं कि नहीं? Now, so what we are talking about in the first line? So in the first line we are talking about a creature. We are describing a creature and we have used he for the eagle. Instead of it, we are using he. Okay, so in the first line we have described about a eagle, that there is a eagle and he claps. उसने पकड़ा हुआ है. Crag means a rock, एक पत्थर पकड़ा हुआ है. With crooked hands. Crooked hand means वो hands जो कि सीधे नहीं है, जो कि क्या हुए हैं, मुड़े चुड़े हैं. ठीक है ना? Next, close to the sun in lonely lands. Close to the sun in lonely land means now poet is saying that eagle is near the sun and he is lonely there. Okay, as you know, it is impossible for human being to go near the sun. Okay, so here we have said that eagle is near the sun. So what does this mean? We are emphasizing the feeling of what? We are emphasizing the feeling of loneliness and isolation, that where eagle is near the sun and it is impossible for human beings to reach near the sun. So that is why eagle is the only creature who is near the sun. Okay, now ringed with the azure world he stands. Okay, so ringed with the azure world he stands. What does this mean? Azure means bright blue in color. Okay, so eagle is where? Eagle is flying in the sky and sky is of bright blue in color. So in the sky eagle is there. Okay, so as you know that eagle is what we are talking about, that eagle is flying alone in the sky and we are representing a clear image that eagle has power, he has freedom and bravery. Okay, now the wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. Wrinkled sea. Now what we are saying? Wrinkled sea. So wrinkled means this is telling us that the shape means we are now talking about the shapes of the waves. Okay, that how the waves are going in the sea. Okay, means waves are crawling, waves are moving. Beneath whom? Beneath the eagle. Okay, means eagle is flying in the sky and beneath him means in the lower position there is a sea and the sea is wrinkled and sea is crawling. Crawling means sea is moving. Okay, when someone move forward on the hands and knees, then it is known as what? It is known as crawl. Okay, now next line. He watches from his mountain walls. So from where he is watching? He is watching from his mountain walls. So now we are talking about eagle position of power. Okay, on what? On the rocks, right? On the rocks he is having power. Okay, Now, most important thing is that he is having a piece of land, okay, because he is the only creature, okay. Why he is the only creature? Because he is only capable of reaching in the sky and no one can challenge him, okay. Now, he watches from his mountain walls. So from where he is watching? He is watching from his mountain wall. He is having power on the mountain, okay. The entire mountain belong to whom? It belong to the eagle, okay, because he is having the power, okay, and no one can reach near the mountain except the eagle, okay. Now next, and like a thunderbolt he falls. So what is the meaning of thunderbolt? Thunderbolt means a flash of lightning that comes at the same time as the noise of thunderbolt and that hits something, okay. So now here we are talking about that all of a sudden eagle drops from his perch. Means, as you know, eagle was flying in the sky and what happened? All of a sudden eagle is dropping from the sky. Eagle is dropping from his perch towards the sea below. Where he is going? He is going towards the sea below, okay. This is what? This is pre-planned according to the eagle. Eagle has planned this, right? That he will go and dive in the sea, okay. But to the reader, means the person who is reading the poem, for those people it is what? It is extremely like a thunderbolt. Means this is something sudden. This is something surprising, okay. As you know that eagle is what? Eagle is a creature, okay, who is flying in the sky. Where he is flying? He is flying in the sky. But suddenly he decided to drop into the sea, okay. So this was all of a sudden and it was surprising for everyone, okay. So this was all about the poem Eagle, okay. As you know, we are talking about eagle in the entire poem. The poem is of 6 lines and the name of the poet is Lord Alfred Tennyson, okay. So in the first 3 lines, what it has been said here, that first of all we have described about the eagle, okay. That eagle is present and eagle is holding a rock. What he is holding? He is holding a rock with crooked hands. Crooked means not straight hands, not even hands, but crooked. मुड़े छुड़े हाथों से उसने पत्थर पकड़ा हुआ है. Close to the sun in lonely lands. And where he is, कहाँ पे है वो? Sun के पास पहुंच चुका है. He is near the sun, okay, in lonely lands. Lonely lands means no one is present there. He is alone in that land, okay. Here we are talking about loneliness and isolation because no human beings, no other creature is capable of reaching there. Ringed with the azure world he stands. As you know, the entire world is azure. Azure is what? Means bright blue in color. He is flying in the sky and the sky is bright blue in color. Ringed with the azure world means in the entire azure world, in the entire sky, he is moving from here to there. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. Now what is going on? Wrinkled sea means sea is what? समुद्र. समुद्र बह रहा है. Beneath him means उसके नीचे. Okay. Now in the poem it has been said here that sea is crawling. समुद्र क्या कर रहा है? Crawl कर रहा है. Crawl मतलब क्या होता है? रेंगना. He watches from his mountain wall and all these things he is watching from where? ये सारी चीजें कहाँ से देख रहा है वो? All the things he is watching from the mountain walls and he is having power towards what? Towards the mountain wall because mountain walls belong to the eagle because no other creature is having power to reach near the mountain walls. So the entire mountain walls belong to the eagle. And like a thunderbolt he falls. And at the last what happened? Like a thunderbolt. Thunderbolt means a flash of lightning that comes at the same time as the noise of thunder. Means all of a sudden what happened? He fall from his perch. Perch means from where he was flying. He has decided, and now he is dropping from the sky to the sea. Okay, so this was all about the poem. Hope you have understand the poem properly. Thank you.